Thank you. Thank you for that introduction. Well, before the presentation, I want to make a bet that everyone that is wearing reading glasses, they just hate them. They want to throw them away. Well, this presentation is going to be of your liking. Our company has developed a platform of treatments that correct visual problems like presbyopia, the inability to read, myopia, hyperopia, and others. It's kind of like the Invisalign for the eyes. We use contact lenses and eye drops to reshape the cornea. And TVT, as we know it, is True Vision Treatment, is approved in Mexico. Its first application, the one for presbyopia, is currently on the market, and it's also available for those that had LASIK in the past and now need reading glasses. So it's available in Mexico and also just recently in Japan. We hold 56 patents, and the FDA just recently designated us to CDRH, meaning that it's going to be a device-led pathway. And we've treated more than 1,000 eyes. So for those of you who don't know what presbyopia is, it's a normal eye condition that affects everyone over the age of 40, everyone. There's no escape. And the presbyopic population is growing 10 times faster than the pre-presbyopic population. So how does it work? So the customized contact lenses and the eye drops are going to reshape the curvature of the cornea. The patient is only going to wear the treatment for only 3 days. They don't sleep with the contact lenses. It's just a daily treatment. And after the 3 days are over, you stop using the contact lenses, the eye drops, and your reading glasses. The effect lasts for 12 months, so it's a very prolonged effect. And it corrects near vision without compromising any distance vision. So this is the actual product that we're prescribing in Mexico. It includes everything the patient needs, the contact lenses, the eye drops, the instructions. The patient pays $1,500 for the eye examination and for the treatment. And then every retreatment after that, as long as the contact lenses are in good shape, they pay $120. So it's almost like $10 a month for the rest of the treatment. So the mechanism of action is simple. The eye drops, what they do, they're making the cornea more malleable, the combination of the hyaluronidase and the collagenase. And then the contact lens is gradually reshaping the curvature of the cornea to provide better power. And what better power, what do I mean with that is these are images of a topography, of a cornea with using a topographer. And the image in the center, or the image inside the red circle, is the end result of the cornea. So we're creating paracentral rings in the cornea that allows patients to see well for near, intermediate, and distance. That is a multifocality effect that I was mentioning. These are the results of the last 12 months of our patients in Mexico. I just wanted to point out that we're taking patients that are not able to read children's book, maybe the font size 18 or 20 in your computer, and we're bringing them down to what is equivalent of footnotes and the labels on your medicines or stock quotes. The business model is to train and certify eye care practitioners around the world. So the optometrist, the ophthalmologist, so that you can walk into a LensCrafters, ProVision, or even a Costco and get your vision corrected. Once we train the affiliates or the MDs and the ODs, we provide them with the diagnostic fitting set. This is a tool they need to identify which is an ideal contact lens for each patient. And they can prescribe the treatment as fast as in 40 minutes. The patient flow is really simple. It's the same as regular contact lenses. You can walk into a ProVision, LensCrafters again. You get your eyes examined to see if they're healthy, to see if you're a candidate, and then they fit the contact lenses to see which is the ideal for you, and you can take it home. You can take it to work, so you can use it as your daily routine. And then you come back to the clinic when the 3 days are over. As for the FDA, which has begun in our case, we have been designated to CDRH. We are going to have to complete a PMA. What is benefit for us is that we can use the Mexican data that we're collecting in Mexico to accelerate the FDA process. We're going to do a single pivotal study of 300 patients, 4 sites. Currently, we're collecting data from Mexico and soon from Japan, working on the CMCs and setting up the sites. This is an exciting slide because I can talk about other vision problems, not only presbyopia, but currently we're working on others like for myopia and hyperopia and keratoconus. And in the near future, we're going to work on digital fatigue and myopia progression, which is very important for our children. Recently, Novartis bought a technology that is an eye drop technology, and that patients can use it to see well for a couple of hours. They have to use these eye drops for every day for the rest of their lives. Comparing our technology to those of the eye drops, ours is vastly superior, not only because we can correct near vision, but also distance vision. And in addition to that, we can correct presbyopia, myopia, and other vision problems. As for the next steps, we're raising our Series B, which is going to be invested heavily in the FDA and also in our commercial expansion. Then we're going to use that in combination with our partnerships in Asia to subsidize the further expansion and FDA approval. As for the team, it's a small but very capable management team. For example, we have one among the best ophthalmologists in the US, among the best ophthalmologists in Mexico, people that have done this many times in the past, and obviously in ophthalmology. To mention a few, for example, the former chief scientific officer for Bausch & Lomb, and people in the industry of the contact lens industry and thought leaders in optometry. Thank you very much for your time. If you're interested into learning more about this investment opportunity, or you want to go to Mexico and get yourself corrected while you drink a margarita, you're welcome to do that. Thank you.